With just a few clicks, you can transform your rough sketches into polished designs like this, all with Napkin AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Napkin AI, a clever tool that turns your hand-drawn sketches into digital design using artificial intelligence. It's like having a digital artist instantly clean up and enhance your ideas. What is Napkin AI? Napkin AI is an innovative web-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to convert hand-drawn sketches into digital designs. It's designed for UI UX designers, product managers, and anyone who wants to quickly visualize their ideas without needing advanced design skills. Napkin AI can transform rough sketches of user interfaces, wireframes, and even simple product designs into clean, professional-looking digital mockups. How is Napkin AI working? Napkin AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze your sketches. When you upload a photo of your hand-drawn design, the AI identifies different elements like buttons, text fields, and images. It then recreates these elements as digital components, maintaining the overall layout and structure of your original sketch. The AI also applies common design principles to enhance the look, such as aligning elements and applying consistent spacing. How to use Napkin AI tutorial. Sign up, visit napkin.ai, click sign up or get started, and create an account using email or Google. Verify your account via email. Upload your sketch, click upload or new project on the dashboard. Use your camera or upload an image from your computer. Ensure your sketch is clear for the best result. AI processing. Napkin AI will digitize your sketch in seconds. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Refine your design. Use editing tools to adjust, resize, change colors, and add new elements. Export your design. Click export or download to save your design as PNG, SVG, or directly to Figma software sketch. Collaborate and share. Click share to invite team members with view or edit permissions.